Today we'll talk about how can you enable this sign or know how you can do that on your YouTube TV app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do in first, you just go here above your photo profile, click on it. So then it's going to show for you a list like this here. Then you click here on settings, you just click on it. You come to next step here, it's going to show for you like this. Then you go down. So you just click on sports here. Then it's going to take you to next step here. It's going to show for you like this. Come here to autoplay key place, click in this sign. Like you see this color show for us, that's mean autoplay key plays enable with us now. So that's all you have to do. I wish know you are great. That's all. So thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. You just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you.